Welcome to Dark Journey. If you are new here, we are glad to have you. Today, we are going to explore a world that is both familiar and strange, a world of fire and ice, of light and shadow, of extremes that challenge our understanding of what a planet can be. We are going to Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is a world of contradictions. It is the closest planet to the Sun, yet it has ice on its surface. It is the smallest planet, yet it has a massive iron core. It has no atmosphere, yet it has a magnetic field. It is a world that defies expectations and challenges everything we thought we knew about planetary science. Humanity has been observing Mercury for thousands of years. The ancient Sumerians knew about it as early as 3000 BC. They called it the jumping planet because of its fast movement across the sky. The Babylonians called it Nabu after their god of wisdom. The Greeks gave it two names, Apollo when it appeared in the morning, and Hermes when it appeared in the evening. They eventually realized it was the same planet, and the Romans named it Mercury after their messenger god. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Its average distance from the Sun is about 58 million kilometers, only about one-third of the distance from Earth to the Sun. Because of its proximity, the Sun appears about 3 times larger and more than 10 times brighter on Mercury than on Earth. Imagine standing on a world where the Sun fills the sky and the light is blindingly bright. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system. It has a diameter of about 4,879 kilometers, only slightly larger than our moon. In fact, Jupiter's moon Ganymede and Saturn's moon Titan are both larger than Mercury. If you were standing on Mercury, you would weigh about 38% of what you weigh on Earth. A person who weighs 70 kilograms on Earth would weigh only 27 kilograms on Mercury. The surface of Mercury is covered with craters. It looks very similar to our moon. The largest crater on Mercury is called the Calotis Basin. It is about 1,550 kilometers in diameter and was caused by a massive asteroid impact billions of years ago. The impact was so powerful that it created a ring of mountains around the crater and may have even affected the planet's internal structure. The temperature on Mercury is extreme. During the day, the temperature can reach up to 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But at night, the temperature can drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius. This is because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat. The thin atmosphere is constantly being blown away by the solar wind, and it is constantly being replenished by particles from the Sun's surface. Mercury has a very slow rotation. It takes about 59 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. But because of its elliptical orbit and its slow rotation, a day on Mercury from sunrise to sunrise lasts about 176 Earth days. This means that a day on Mercury is longer than a year on Mercury, which is only 88 Earth days. Mercury has no moons, no rings, and no significant atmosphere. It is a barren, rocky world, but it has a large iron core. About 75% of its diameter is iron. This makes Mercury the most metal-rich planet in the solar system. Its core is also partially molten, which creates a weak magnetic field. The first spacecraft to visit Mercury was Mariner 10, launched by NAS in 1973. It flew past Mercury 3 times and mapped about 45% of its surface. It also discovered that Mercury has a magnetic field, which surprised scientists because they thought such a small planet would not have one. The second spacecraft to visit Mercury was Messenger, launched in 2004. It entered orbit around Mercury in 2011 and studied the planet for 4 years. It mapped the entire surface and discovered ice in the permanently shadowed craters near the poles, a place where the sun never shines. If you are enjoying this video, please share it with someone who would love to learn about space. In 2018, the European Space Agency and Japan launched the Bupicolombo mission. It is the most advanced spacecraft ever sent to Mercury. It will study the planet's magnetic field, atmosphere, and surface in unprecedented detail. It is expected to reach Mercury in 2025 and will provide us with even more insights into this mysterious world. Mercury's orbit is the most eccentric of all the planets. It is highly elliptical, which means its distance from the Sun varies greatly. At its closest, it is about 46 million kilometers from the Sun. At its farthest, it is about 70 million kilometers. This eccentricity affects its rotation and its climate in ways that scientists are still trying to understand. The study of Mercury helps us understand the formation and evolution of our solar system. By studying its surface, its core, and its magnetic field, scientists can piece together the history of the early solar system. Mercury may be small, but it has a big story to tell. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Dark Journey. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below. What do you find most fascinating about Mercury? Let us know in the comments.